Hidden dynamic model implemented using piecewise linear approximation. In my presentation, I will just give the description of particular computational implementation of the hidden dynamic models in state space formulation of a discrete time hidden dynamic model of speech. I will not explain the approximation into a deeper manner since this is not the focus of our discussion. These two equations is form of state space formulation of a discrete time hidden dynamic model of speech. Equation 10.40 and 10.41 based on the book provided, where a target vector is assumed and general nonlinear function h of x of k in equation 10.41 is approximated by a set of optimally derived piecewise linear functions. The relevant parameters are also represented by a set of parameters related to these piecewise linear functions. Motivations in a new form of the model formulation. Why? Why there is a need to use this piecewise linear approximation in the implementation of the general hidden dynamic model in speech production? Here are some why there is a need to use this approximation. First is the general difficulty associated with the original nonlinear model that requires gross approximation for developing and implementing the model parameter learning algorithms. Second is because the large amount of computation for implementing the approximate learning algorithms for the original nonlinear model that makes it difficult to extensively tune the speech recognition system constructed based on such a model. Here are the list of advantages of using this approximation. Piecewise linear methods provide adequate approximations to the nonlinear relationship between the hidden and observational spaces in the formulation of the speech model. It is a very straightforward method that uses a set of linear regression and it replaces the general nonlinear mapping. Instead of using single set of linear model, parameters are used. Also, it gives rise to the mixture linear dynamic model. Using this, the degree of nonlinearity of each individual linear models is expected to be relatively minor because hidden space is finely partitioned. It is finely partitioned due to the use of separate states equation in the dynamic system model for different phonological states. Therefore, the use of small number of mixture components in the piecewise linear model is expected to be adequate for representing the state-dependent nonlinear function between the hidden and observational spaces. The equations use a piecewise or mixture linear dynamic system model, where Hm is equals to A or H and x of k equals to 1, or x of k is the TR that are extended matrix and vector. Capital M here is the total number of mixtures component piecewise linear dynamic model for each phonological state. Vm of k and Wm of k are discrete time state noise and measurement noise. X represents the sequence of BTR vectors x1, x2, and so on. In piecewise linear model mentioned, there is a constraint imposed in which we call a mixture path constraint. This means that for each sequence of acoustic observations associated with phonological state being either a training token or a test token, the sequences is constrained to be produced from a fixed mixture component M of the dynamic model. This means that the target of the hidden continuous variables for each phonological state is not permitted to switch from one mixture component to another at the frame level. The constraint of such type is motivated by the physical nature of speech production. The target is correlated with its phonetic identity that is defined at the segment level, not at the frame level. After the general nonlinear mapping in equation 10.41, from hidden dynamic variables to acoustic observational variable is approximated by piecewise linear relationships. A new discrete random variable M is introduced to prove the region in the piecewise linear mapping. Parameter estimation algorithm. This algorithm is basically a learning algorithm for the hidden dynamic model using piecewise linear approximation. It is based on the EM principle for maximum likelihood. To proceed, a discrete variable M is first defined, which indicated the observation to mixture assignments for each sequence of observation vectors corresponding to phonological states. In this algorithm, the EM algorithm treats X of K and M as the missing data and O of K as the observed training data. Just a review of EM algorithm. The development of EM algorithm consists of several steps. First, the development of an explicit expression of the joint PDF of the observation and the missing data. Second, the development of an expression for the mixture weighing factor. Those expressions are used to compute the conditional expectation as required in the E step of the EM algorithm. The condition expression is expressed in turn as a function of a set of sufficient statistics computed from a linear Kalman filter. Third is the estimation formulas are derived using the conditional expectation in the M step of the EM algorithm. Likelihood scoring algorithm. Likelihood scoring algorithm is a form of Newton's method used in statistics to solve maximum likelihood equations numerically. After the weighing probabilities and all other model parameters are estimated, the likelihood of the model for each phonological state given a sequence of acoustic observations can be computed directly. The log likelihood function for each individual component of the mixture model is calculated from its innovation sequence according to equation 10.76, wherein the innovation sequence and its covariance are computed from the Kalman filtering recursion. In here, we sum up the component model's likelihood for the entire mixture model. For each utterance that consists of a sequence of phonological states with dynamic regimes, given the log likelihood for the speech phonological state in sequence as defined in equation 10.77 are summed to give the total likelihood score for the entire utterance.